Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, papag-usapan natin kung ano ba yung mga kailangan na setup as a virtual assistant, magkano yung magagastos, at ano yung mga requirements para makapagsimula ka na maging virtual assistant.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my upcoming lifestyle and home journey vlogs. Before we start, papakita ko muna sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang Pilipinas. Today we are here at the beautiful Imus Cathedral in Cavite, one of the oldest and most historic churches in the Philippines. Nagpray lang ako dito, nag-reflect, at nag-appreciate ng rich heritage ng Pilipinas. Dito nga pala yan, sa Imus, Cavite. At ngayon pag-uusapan na natin yung mga topics na binanggit ko kanina. If you're planning to become a virtual assistant, here's an example of a complete work-from-home setup. Siyempre, dapat meron kang laptop, meron kang external monitor, stable internet connection, UPS or backup para kapag ka nawala ng kuryente, noise cancellation headset para makapag-focus ka mismo kapag may tatawagan ka na patient mo or insurance, lalo na kapag may mga ka-meeting ka, and a wireless mouse. Kung katulad ko kayo na ayaw ko ng maraming mga wire at saka gusto ko yung nakakagalaw yung kamay ko, wireless mouse yung recommended ko. Siyempre, dapat hindi mo makakalimutan ang full-size keyboard with numeric keypad. Importante nga itong keypad na to kasi as a medical biller, kailangan may numeric keypad ka talaga sa gilid. So pag-usapan naman natin, magkano nga ba yung magagastos ko? So approximately 60,000 pesos or 1,050 US dollars or 1,750 in Australian. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng mga second-hand equipment na pwede mo mabili through online platforms in the Philippines and check mo lang kung yung condition niya ba, battery health and warranty kung meron before purchasing. At yung pinakahuli, ako kasi ginagamit ko ngayon is Lenovo. So ito yung mga system specification na meron ako. Remember guys, hindi mo kailangan ng expensive na setup kasi ang kailangan mo, courage to start. Disclaimer muna tayo mga ka-royalty. Prices and recommendations are based on my personal experience and may vary depending on the brand, seller, location, and current market prices. Please do your own research before purchasing any equipment. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you on my next vlog.